In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unmount or how to eject a USB flash drive from the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. The first thing is to open the My Files app. From here, under the section labeled Storage, look for your USB flash drive. The next step is to tap on the three dots right next to the option, and from the options listed, select Unmount. A pop-up will appear it's been unmounted successfully, so the last thing is to just remove it from your phone. So now you have successfully removed your USB flash drive without damaging any data on both your phone and the flash drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.